evening, everyone. Thank you all for being here tonight to celebrate my 80th birthday.
Apil na ko dira.
This night is not just about me. It's also about celebrating the people who have made a difference in my life and helped shape the person who I am today. First of all, I would like to give a special mention to the people who hold a very special place in my heart. To my mama, thank you for your unconditional love and sacrifices. You inspire me every day. To my sister, Ate Fem, thank you so much for being a great sister, a best friend, and a constant supporter. And to my mommy, thank you so much for teaching me good values, and thank you for always showering me with love. With love and wisdom. To Kuya Vance and Tita Girlie who are here, thank you so much. To my friends who never fail to make life brighter, thank you for always being there for me. And of course, to my teachers, Sir Ronnie, Sir Arco, Sir Walter Mangrita, and also Sir Christian, thank you for taking the time to celebrate with me tonight. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. Thank you to the Powerpuff team, to Ma'am Marian, thank you so much, Ma'am. To my hair and makeup artist, thank you so much for making me extra beautiful tonight. As I step into this new chapter of my life, I carry with me the love, lessons, and memories you all share with me. Thank you so much for making this debut unforgettable.
Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng andito at nag-effort na pupunta sa gabi ito to celebrate with us, to my daughter, Ibu. Maraming salamat po. And of course, I want to say thank you of first God Almighty to have this wonderful evening and to have this chance to celebrate with this important moments of my daughter. And of course, gusto ko pasalamatan ang napaka-the best na Powerpuff Events! Palakpakan guys! Palakpakan po ang napakagaling ng ating Ma'am Marian and the teams. Powerpuff Events and the best. Highly recommended po ang Powerpuff Events. Ayan. Sa mga gustong may mga may mga gusto magpakasal, birthdays, any celebrations, Powerpuff Events na po ang inyong pipiliin. Ayan. And of course, ang ating souvenir, ang ating Sandra Perfume. Thank you so much, Ma'am sa Sandra Perfume. At sa lahat ng buong team ng Powerpuff, at ang ating mga catering, salamat. And of course, bago ang lahat, huwag kong makalimutan ang ating mga major sponsor. Major sponsor, Band 1989, all the way from Dubai. Maraming salamat, Band. I love you dyan. Alam ko, meron tayong mga emotion this morning, pero I love you dyan. Thank you so much sa pag-support kay Shandy. Ayan. And of course, my one and only sister, Girlie Fuentes, all the way from Dubai. Maraming salamat po. And of course, dahil sa ating pakambing dyan, General Ray Black, umalis na po siya. Ang ating sponsor sa ating kambing. Ayan. Maraming salamat, General Ray Black. Kasamahan ko po siya sa YouTube. Ayan. Sa lahat ng bluebills na para kay Shandy. Ayan. Sa lahat ng bluebills ng kasama ko sa YouTube, ayan, Volleyball Vlog, The Kuyakers, Melbourne Channel, Kuya Royce, Master Worm, Leng 24, and of course, Chef Leon Palma, all the way from UK, maraming salamat po. Sa lahat po ng teachers, ayan, from General Santos City, maraming salamat. Friends ni Shandy from General Santos City, from MSU students, ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo guys, and thank you so much. Salamat sa lahat na nagmamahal kay Shandy. Thank you so much po. Ayan, at dahil dyan, meron po kami, akong kakantahin kahit na-pause ako. Actually, na-program na siya, so hindi ko na kaya babawiin. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po. Ayan, music please. My last song for this evening.